हेलो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम्स टू एवरीवन टू जेएसआर के क्लासेस पिला माने आगुरु आमे पढ़िथिले माइस विषय रे एबे आज पढ़िबा माइस विषय रो क्वेश्चन आंसर विषय रे एक नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिया पिला माने ना प्रथम क्वेश्चन अछि कोन ना व्हाट इज द पोएम अबाउट पिला माने आमे ए विषयटी पढ़िचे का विषय रे ना मूषा मानक विषय रे ना द पोएम इज अबाउट माइस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पिला माने हु इज आई इन द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ द poem answer होची in the first line of the poem I means the poet। next question को जिया पिले 3 नंबर क्वेश्चंस what are the tails of mice like answer होची the tails of the mice are long। next questions देखिबा they have no skin at all does this means that they have no skins or they have very thin skins answer होची they have no skins at all means that they have very thin skin। 5 number questions what is the color of the ear answer होची the color of the ear is pink। next 6 number question देखिबा where do they run about at night answer होची they run about the house at night। next 7 number questions which things do they nibble answer होची they nibble everything they find in the house like cakes, vegetables, fruits and clothes etc etc। next 8 number questions do most people like mice and why which ପିଲାମାନେ most of the people do not like mice because they destroy many valuable things in our house। next question को जिबा 9 number question does the poet like mice answer होजे yes absolutely the poet likes mice। 10 number question पिला माने which line tells you so answer होची पिला माने in the last line poet said but I think mice are nice। 11 number question which lines are repeated in this poem answer होची I think mice are rather nice the first line and the last line are repeated in the poem। पिलामाने तमे तो वीडियो सब देखुछ किंतु केही लाइक करूनो कि सब्सक्राइब करूनो दया करी सब्सक्राइब करूनो।